Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video here on the channel. Let's talk about how much your 1942 Washington quarter's worth. So bust out that coin jar or keep an eye out in your pocket change, because these can surprisingly be worth much more than you probably are aware of, with some of them being worth in upwards of thousands of dollars. But on average, you can sell one of these for $10 to $15, even if they're in lower circulated conditions. 1942 quarters had quite a few of them made, with Philadelphia minting the most of them, with over 100 million of them coming out that year. There were 19 million out of San Francisco and 17 million out of Denver, with 21,000 of them being proof quarters out of Philadelphia for 1942, and those can be really valuable. There aren't many examples of really high grade proof coins, so if you were ever to have one of those, you could be sitting on thousands of dollars. There are also known error versions of 1942 coins, most notably the 1942D with a double die obverse. These in high grades like MS64 or higher can sell in upwards of $5,000. There are also known broad strike errors and multi-strike errors known for the 1942 coins that can be worth tons of money as well. On the low end, you can always sell the coin for the 90% silver content that makes up these 1942 quarters.